Kain tayo guys. Ayan, mais. May kasamang bulaklak ng kalabasa at Nyetoy, uong. Kabuti. Mushroom. At flower of squash. Corn. Sarap guys. Kain tayo. Sarap. At ito naman ang ating ginisang alamang na may maraming kamatis. Shrimp paste suited with a lot of tomato. At may sausawan tayo na toyo calamansi. At ito ang ating lechon kawali. Let's eat na guys. Let's eat for lunch. Ito na ang aking kanin. Gusto ko yung may tutong-tutong. Kain na tayo guys. Thanks for watching.